Welcome to Tool School Episode 7. I'm Mark Lassoff from Framework Television. Most coders aren't designers, and most designers aren't coders. If you're a coder who needs to do some design work or a designer who needs to do some coding, you need tools to make your life easier. CSS libraries can be helpful to both developers and designers and allow them to create great websites. Today on Tool School, we'll talk about CSS libraries to make your life easier. CSS libraries are designed to do a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to creating your CSS. Libraries do everything from creating beautifully skinned components to organizing your page layout. First up is the Flat Remix CSS library. Designed to be lightweight, this library uses the contemporary flat design aesthetic. The components have sharp borders and use highly contrasting colors. The components look like they've come straight from a wireframe, which will set your site apart. Flat Remix can be downloaded and easily included in any website. Milligram is another light CSS framework. In fact, the full package is under 2 kilobytes, which means it'll load rapidly and perform well. Milligram is easy to install and learn. It's great if you like a minimalist aesthetic. The strength of Milligram is the typography. Clean sans serif type combined with nice components make Milligram a strong choice for rapid app development. UIKit has loads of components and a steeper learning curve, but this powerful library has just about any feature you'd want to include in your website. From parallax scrolling to pagination to space-saving accordion components, UIKit really does have just about everything. You use UIKit components by including library-specific attributes and classes in your code. The documentation for UIKit is comprehensive, including demos for each component offered. No list of CSS libraries would be complete without mentioning Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the most popular CSS library. There are thousands of sites built with the Bootstrap library, including Instacart, Vogue magazine, and Lyft. Bootstrap is designed to be responsive, meaning that sites built with the library will look great on just about any screen size. Bootstrap has a number of popular templates, from everything from product pages to pricing cards to checkout pages. Since Bootstrap is so popular, there's a great community to help you if you get stuck. The documentation is easy to understand as well. You use Bootstrap by applying Bootstrap-specific classes in your code to apply the style you want. Materialize uses the material design aesthetic. According to Material.io, material design is a visual language that synthesizes the classic principles of good design with the innovation of technology and science. Materialize at materializecss.com is responsive and theme-based. The components are modern, well-designed, and can fit into just about any website. I particularly like the form elements in Materialize. They're great for designing easy-to-read, usable forms. Now, Font Awesome is a different kind of library. It has thousands of icons that you can integrate into your site in different ways. The Font Awesome Free Edition includes over 1,500 icons, while the Pro Edition has 5 times that number. Icons are separated into categories like travel, medical, and interface. You display an icon by implementing the icons class in your HTML. Foundation, found at foundation.zurb.com, is the choice of a number of big brands like Subaru, Pixar, and Perry Ellis. Foundation is a responsive front-end framework that can be used with sites or emails. It's a bit more complex than some of the other libraries. However, there are tutorials, online courses, and an entire support system to help you. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find Foundation is a comprehensive library. One of the things I really like about Foundation is the dozens of building block components that provide starter code for elements as diverse as image sliders and product cards. What are some CSS tools or libraries that you like to use? Anything else that should be on our list? Please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see on the next Tool School. I'm Mark Lassoff. Thank you for watching.